So, Dr. Somit, can you tell me a couple of words about your results in diabetes care?
Yeah, so we have been involved in diabetes research for last 3 years, and in fact we have already completed a retrospective study in which we have studied around 90 patients suffering from diabetes, and we have assessed their fasting blood sugar as well as HbA1c, that is 3 months average blood sugar, and we have found that diabetes can be managed with Ayurveda. And it's not that the diabetes is a new disease in Ayurveda, but already there are ample references in the books of Ayurveda which has very elaborately dealt with how to manage different types of diabetes. In fact, classically in Ayurveda there are 20 types of diabetic patients being mentioned. So, and the second phase of our study, which is a prospective study, which is underway in India, and we are hoping the results very soon. So, for last with University of Latvia, we are actively researching on diabetes, and all the results are very encouraging, and we are also planning to start a study on diabetes in Latvia itself. And whole effort is that to highlight that Ayurveda as a system can definitely give a very good alternative therapy for management of type 2 diabetes.
Okay. On these 3-4 days in Hungary in our diabetes lecture camp, what the customers will experience from you?
Basically, this whole 4 days program we have conceptualized based on the holistic understanding of diabetes, or type 2 diabetes in particular, from an Ayurvedic perspective. So we are going to share with the participants how Ayurveda looks at diabetes, type 2 diabetes per se, and how do we improve their quality of life, sugar control, and prevent the complications of diabetes. This is the 3 main areas which we are going to focus. The first part of the whole camp would be understanding of diabetes from Ayurvedic perspective. Then we are going to really share and teach the participants about what are the lifestyle changes they require, what kind of yogic practices they can integrate in their lifestyle, what kind of diet they should eat, and after that know-how of how to organize their kitchen, how to cook scientifically, how to eat specific spices which will help a great deal in preventing or reducing the effect of their diabetes, type 2 diabetes in particular. So this all will be, program would be customized to cater to their needs, that how they can manage even from their house, how can they manage their diabetes even from their kitchen, many of the issues related to diabetes. So, and of course we would also prescribe herbal compositions which are very effective. From our studies, what we have found is effective in controlling diabetes, and that also will be shared with the participants.